functions in Python. So what is a lambda function? Basically, lambda function is an anonymous function denoted using the lambda keyword, and it is often used for short and simple operation. What is the syntax for a lambda function? First is the keyword lambda is used to indicate that this is a lambda expression. Then the arguments. These are the variables that will be used to perform operations in the expression. Now the result of this expression is returned implicitly. We don't have to define the return keyword or anything else. Okay, let's start with the simple lambda function, that is addition of two numbers. That we will create a variable and pass it the lambda function, that is lambda x comma y, x plus y. In this case, x and y are the arguments and x plus y is the operation that we want to perform on the argument, and the result of the addition of x plus y is returned implicitly. We don't need to define the return keyword here. Then let's call this lambda function using the normal way, that is the convention here, plus 5. Let's print the result. What do we get? We get 8. So what happening is we have passed values 3 and 5 to the lambda function new list. How will we do this? One way to convert the result to a list again. That's why we have used list for method here. Then let's see. Let's call it the lambda function. That is lambda is the lambda function that we will be performing on each element, that is x, and we want to square the element, and we will also provide a list on which we want to perform this lambda. And this list contains the squared element of each element present inside the numbers list.